Gordon was cross.
Huh, why should Henry have a new shape? A shape good enough for me is good enough for him. He goes gallivanting off to Crewe, leaving us to do his work, and comes back saying how happy he feels. It's disgraceful. And here's another thing. Henry whistles too much. No respectable engine ever whistles loudly at stations. It isn't wrong, but we just don't do it.
Poor Henry didn't feel happy anymore.
Never mind. I'm glad you're home again. I like your whistling.
Goodbye, Henry. We're glad to have you back with us again, but remember what I said.
Later, Henry stopped at Edward Station.
Hello, Edward.
Hello, Henry. You look splendid. I was pleased to hear your happy whistle yesterday.
Thank you, Edward. Shh! Can you hear something?
It sounds like Gordon. And it ought to be Gordon, but Gordon never whistles like that.
It was Gordon. He came rushing down the hill at a tremendous rate. He didn't look at Henry and he didn't look at Edward. He screamed straight through the station and disappeared.
Well,
It isn't wrong, but we just don't do it.
And he told Edward what Gordon had said. Meanwhile, Gordon screeched along the line. The noise was awful.
Oh, for goodness sake, will this wretched thing ever stop?
At the station, everyone held their ears. The Fat Controller held his ears too.
Take him away and stop that noise! Ah, my ears!
Gordon puffed sadly away, but he wouldn't stop whistling until two fitters climbed up and knocked his whistle valve in place. That night, Gordon slunk into the shed. He was glad it was empty.
It isn't wrong, but we just don't do it.
Oh, the indignity.
No one mentioned whistles. Next morning, Henry was enjoying himself enormously.
I feel so well. I feel so well.
Trick in the truck, trick in the truck.
Then he saw some boys on a bridge.
Beep, beep. Hello. Ouch!
The boys didn't wave and take his number. They thought it fun to drop stones on him instead.
They've broken our glass! They've broken our glass!
The passengers weren't hurt, but they were cross.
This is outrageous.
Call the police. No, leave it to Henry and me.
What will you do?
Can you keep a secret?
Yes. Well then, Henry is going to sneeze at those boys.
That would be very funny.
Lots of people were waiting at the station just before the bridge. They wanted to see what would happen.
Henry has plenty of ashes. Please keep all windows shut until we have passed the bridge. Henry is excited as we are, aren't you, old fellow?
Henry was feeling stuffed up. Soon they could see the boys, and they all had stones.
Are you ready, Henry? Sneeze hard when I tell you. Now!
Did you know what that was? I didn't see that coming. I don't know what my mum's going to say about this.
Well done, Henry!
Henry went home very pleased with himself. He had taught Gordon and silly boys a lesson, with a whistle and a sneeze.
What are you waiting for?